So I've been noticing, it seems like every time I put the top down, it sticks more and more. And all tops basically have the same mechanism. It's very similar. Earlier, got stuck, and it definitely got stuck on the mechanism there. So I'm going to take some marine grease. I just use marine grease because it's rated for, salt water. If it's rated for salt water, then why the hell not? Interesting. Anyway, I'm just going to put a tiny bit on here. I'm going to put my finger into a plastic bag and then use it to apply a tiny bit of this in there. So, as you can see, lightly greased. Nobody sees that part, nobody's looking there when I'm putting the top up and down. It doesn't matter if it has a little bit of grease on it. What I have to do is I have to come along this with like rubbing alcohol. I've got to clean all that up. I want to apply some silicone protectant on it. It's very interesting. You can see all the mechanics. It's a couple extra parts in there. That's a little bit more weight. It's very cool though. I should probably grease those up too, because I don't want those ever getting stuck. Huh. I guess I will. I'll grease that up. I'll do that right now. Some rollers in there. Any other things that sit down in. Nope. Oh, look at that. Some garbage in there. Yeah, once again, little plug, a little roller there. It could be greased. Here we go. I'll use a little, make a thimble. I'll use that to apply some of this. All right. I don't want to drop this in there. Rather not do that. So, I'm sure. Oh, that wasn't good. So I see you press on that, and the little mechanism closes the window. All right. Well, oh. Shit, I hope I didn't fuck anything up. Alright, I don't know if you guys saw that, but the top almost ate my finger. Because it was lubing up some sort of spring under there. Tried to eat my finger. It's pretty close, kind of scary. I couldn't tell if both sides adjusted. It went down. It kind of tried to seat itself for a second. So I don't know if both sides adjusted or if just one side did, but I'm really hoping it's not thrown off. I hope no sensors got thrown off or anything. So I'm gonna put the key in. If anything was thrown off, it seems to have reset itself. Look at it. Yeah, it looks fine. I think that's supposed to be like that. That looks good. Everything's fine. Yeah, that gap looks the same. Okay. Well, let's see if I smoothed it out. So before it would stick a lot. Nice and smooth. Alright, I'm going to test this out a couple of times for the sake of consistency. It's actually really smooth now. That's pretty nice. All right, it comes off really well. That's awesome. Okay. I don't even have to worry about it anymore. You can see right there, it leaves a little bit of oil. And on the other side, left a little bit right there. So we can definitely tell that's where it was sticking. Any more mechanisms in here that seem like they need it? That's pretty well greased. That roller might be able to use it. That's also pretty well greased. Alright, because that's already greased, I'm not going to touch that. It says don't mix greases, so I won't. Alright guys, thanks for watching. As you can see, the garage is a little empty right now. Car's at the shop, waiting on tires. Hopefully it'll be back in time for bike week. I don't know. Working on a full review for the E93 BMW M3. After that will be the 50th edition Z06 Corvette. Subscribe for more maintenance videos and how-tos. Enjoy the roads, guys.
A few moments later.
It's already out. It's done. Well, 2 new tires are on the way. 'Cause How do you feel?
Terrible. Today, just so it can sit here. Rest in peace. Terrible.
I can't believe we didn't get like the actual pothole on video. 'Cause that was like.
Yeah, our reaction would have been. We were both like.
It was just so bad.
I thought my friggin' tire exploded. I thought my tire did explode. I thought my wheel exploded.